Hello everyone, this video will show you how to set up the prerequisite and quick steps on how to use the performance module through the Orange HRM. As a Chief Human Resource Officer, you have access to all of this information that will help with the performance management of your organization. In this page, you can see the job titles and the subunits. Title, you have to determine what competencies are expected from each employee in that position. In this page, you can add the competencies, you can increase or decrease the weightage, you can also choose who will evaluate people in this position. Once an employee's competency is established, the next thing for you to do is to create a goal for that employee. In this page, you can add goals and objective key results for people in your organization or yourself. This button here shows the unapproved goals, which you have access to approve or reject. The next step is to configure appraisal. In this tab, you can set who will be able to evaluate a certain person. It could be yourself, the supervisors, the peers, or the subordinates. You can also change the questions, and you can also create a template for appraisal for each specific position. To design an appraisal template, just add a new one, fill up the name and the description, and then click Save. Then you will be redirected to select what things to add in this template. So add your competencies, the goals, and the questions. The next step is to create an appraisal cycle. To create an appraisal cycle, you have to determine the cycle name, the location, the start and the end date, the due date of finishing the appraisal, who are the main evaluators, and the template that will be used. Once added, you can see who are the evaluators of those employees and what are the status of their evaluation. Once the appraisal is created, you can activate it. Once activated, you can just go on the activated appraisal cycle, click on the new one, click on the employee's name, and start rating the employee based on each competency. You can also answer the structured questions that are prepared to add more information about an employee's performance. Take note, you can only answer questions which has this comment button. Finally, you can assess the potential job level that that individual is capable of attaining. It could be any of these three choices. Once the final evaluator submits the score, review is considered as completed. The employees can see his appraisals in the Appraisals tab, or the supervisors and other concerned and authorized personnel can access an employee's appraisal through the appraisal list. From this information, you can close the appraisal cycle, or the Human Resource Department can create an individual development plan for the particular employee, assign a coach, and the due date for the plan. This tab shows the performance trackers list for all employees, which the Chief Human Resource Officer has access to. You can also access your own tracker through the My Trackers. You can also manage your trackers by adding trackers, updating it, or deleting it. This tracker shows your performance log for a specific period of time. You can export this to CSV, and you can also add more comments. Now that's the quick overview of the performance module of Orange HRM. Thank you and good day.